Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about one of the organelle, that is Golgi complex. We can call it as also Golgi body. Golgi body also we can call it, right? And then here see the first of all, this Golgi complex, this organelle discovered by here George. The scientist name is George. He discovered, right? And here see he discovered. Next year, Camillo Golgi. One more scientist name is that Camillo Golgi. Golgi. He given the morphological structure of Golgi complex. Morphological structure means what? He explained the structure of Golgi complex, Golgi body. Hence, we given the name Golgi complex or Golgi body. The scientist name is Camillo Golgi. What he discussed? He discussed the he explained the structure of morphological structure of Golgi complex. Hence, we given the name Golgi complex on the honor of that scientist. Okay. Next, here see this Golgi complex ultra structure means microscopic structure given by the one more scientist. His name is Dalton. His name is Dalton. These scientists given ultra structure of Golgi complex microscopic structure is given by this scientist. That's why, right? And here the Golgi complex is called diactysome. 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 Sorry. Diactysome in plants. In plant cells, Golgi complex is called diactysomes. Very, very important, right? This is you have to remember. And later, what happens here? This Golgi complex is very, very important in function of the cell. How that is we have to discuss, and before that we have to know the size of this Golgi complex in the cells, right? Here first of all, how the size of the actually the cell, generally cell is, now it is a cell. In the cell we have this Golgi complex, right? For example, if you take this is a Golgi, for example I am saying Golgi complex. Actually cell is microscopic in structure. Organelle Golgi complex size is very minute. Okay, then you outcome, but the size of this Golgi complex is various, means different in different cells. For example, if you take secretory cells means secretory cells means which can secrete enzymes like a liver, pancreas. These are secretory cell. They secrete some enzymes, right? That's why in the secretory cells like a liver, pancreas, any gland, what happens here? This Golgi complex size bigger is bigger. If you take non-secretory cells like muscle cells, muscle cells, non-secretory cells, if you take them, what happen? They have means the size of these Golgi complexes smaller. From this what you understood, the size of the Golgi complex organelle in the cell, Golgi complex organelle in the cell is variable from one type of cell to the other cell. We have in our body nerve cells, muscle cells, gland cells, so many type of tissues and cells are there. Every cell has a Golgi complex, but the thing is they are the different in size as per the different type of cell. Okay, then if you take the next number of Golgi complex in each cell, Golgi complex in each cell, how much? For example, if I take one cell, right? It is a cell, whatever the cell name. For example, if you take it is a something in our body RBC, if you take circular, how many Golgi complex it has? Example I am saying, means what? Each cell, every animal cell, if it is animal cell, every animal cell has only one what is it? Golgi complex. Sometime it plant cell, if you take plant cell, that has 1 to 6 Golgi complexes, 1 to 6 Golgi complexes in each cell. Which one? Plant cells. Animal cells have only one Golgi complex for a cell, but plant cells have Golgi complex 1 to 6 for a cell. This is you have to remember. Okay, we'll discuss.